Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bob's Garage. A real short video, doing some work on the Jeepster associated with engine work. You can see my series on the Jeepster, get some information on the things I've been doing with it. But while I was at it, had to disconnect the oil fill tube, or the dipstick tube. So this car's got a few leaks, typical for something this old, but you know, the transmission fluid is probably the biggest leak. Well, I found something when I was doing this, and something, I didn't film it because it was a minor little thing, but somebody in the past had solved the oil leak, so they thought, with just basically putting a goop of silicone on the outside. So the thing about that is the seal for it is an O-ring that slips in a groove on the outside of the dipstick tube, which is inserted into the transmission. This is a turbo 400, turbo hydromatic 400. So it's really easy. Just get a proper size O-ring. Looks like somebody put in a smaller diameter one. So all I needed to do for that is take it apart, take a look at it, figure out what was wrong, and put a new O-ring in. So a whole lot better than just smearing silicone on the outside. Now, David Freiberger always says, don't get it right, just get it going, which I agree with. And believe me, if you've seen my videos, you understand that. But you got to understand, sometimes things are kind of futile. Sometimes sealing from the outside doesn't always work. And if you watch David Freiberg's last video on his, I think it's his Roadrunner, you'll see what I mean by that. I think it was a leak in his rear main seal. Anyhow, thought you'd find that interesting. Like I said, I didn't film it, but it's literally just a tube that fits inside a bore, and it was just the wrong O-ring size. Anyways, thanks for watching.